Hi, hello, welcome to my channel after a long life. Today onwards, we are discussing topics based on 10th class level. As if this year the CBSE 10th board max paper was so tough and students feel so difficult to write it. From this year onwards, CBSE changed their rules. They changed that the questions of CBSE board was competency based questions. So let's start our first chapter in 10th, that is probability. In probability, first we have to remember these points. The theoretically classes probability of an event E written as that is PE is defined as probability E is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E by number of all possible outcomes of the experiment, where we assume that the outcomes of the experiment are equally likely. Next point, the probability of sure event or certain event is 1. The probability of sure event or certain event is 1. Next point, the probability of an impossible event is 0. Next point, the probability of an event E is a number PE such that 0 is less than PE less than P. Next point, an event having only one outcome is called an eliminatory event. The sum of probabilities of all the eliminatory events of an experiment is 1. Next point, of any event E, PE plus P bar E is equal to 1, where E bar stands for not E. E and E bar are called complementary events. Let's start. First exercise 14.1 in first Roman. Complete the following statements. First one, probability of event E plus probability of event not E is 1. See, the probability of event E plus probability of not E is equal to 1. Next one, the probability of event that is cannot happen is 0. Such event is also called impossible event, where event is not happen cannot happen is 0, and that event is called impossible event. Next point, the probability of event that is certain to happen is 1. Such event is called sure event. When the probability event is happening in a certain function is called 1. That event is also known as sure event. Next point, the sum of probabilities of all the eliminatory events of the experiment is 1. I repeat, the sum of the probabilities of all the eliminatory events of an experiment is 1. Fifth point, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to is 1, less than or equal to is 0. I will repeat, the probability of an event is greater than or equal, which is greater or equal to the event is 1, and the less than or equal to is 0, which is less and equal or equal is 0. I hope you understand the first exercise, first sum, and I will discuss like this so many sums in this chapter. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and please do like, share and subscribe for my channel. Thank you.